everyone, welcome back to the channel. It is now day 4 of the $500 challenge where I am trying to make $500 from a woodworking business as fast as I can. We are still at $0, but we're still making lots of tables. We're just about done a couple tables. So we'll get those selling real quick here. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. Everyone, thanks for watching today's video. Day 4, I believe, is complete. We did 2 coats of epoxy, and we also got done. We got building some of these for table legs for those other 2 pieces that I was sanding and whatnot. We got this wood from 2 scrap projects that didn't quite turn out how I planned, so that was a good use of that, and hopefully we'll be able to make some money off that off that wood still. But yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and tune back in for tomorrow. See ya.